If you think smartphones have already peaked, think again, because the upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is about to completely redefine what a flagship phone can do, and trust me, what Google is planning this time might actually surprise even the biggest tech fans. Right from the first look, this device is expected to feature a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering ultra-vivid colors, deeper blacks, and an insanely immersive viewing experience whether you're gaming, scrolling, or binge-watching your favorite content. But here's where things start getting really interesting. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to be powered by the next-generation Tensor G5 chip, built on a more efficient architecture, meaning faster performance, better heat management, and a huge leap in AI capabilities that Google is known for. And this is not just about speed, it's about intelligence. Imagine a phone that understands you better than ever, with advanced on-device AI handling everything from real-time call screening, voice typing that feels human, to next-level photo editing that can literally reshape reality in seconds. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where Pixel phones dominate, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to push boundaries even further with a triple camera setup featuring a massive upgraded main sensor, an ultra-wide lens with improved low-light capabilities, and a periscope zoom lens that could go beyond 10x optical zoom, making distant shots look insanely crisp. Add to that Google's AI photography magic like enhanced night sight, real-time video, HDR, and possibly even AI-generated scene enhancements, and you're looking at a camera system that could outperform most DSLRs in your pocket. And just when you think that's enough, leaks suggest a powerful new front camera optimized for ultra-clear selfies and 4K video calls, perfect for content creators and everyday users alike. Battery life is another area getting a serious upgrade, with a rumored 5,500 mAh battery that's designed to easily last a full day and beyond, combined with faster wired and wireless charging that keeps you powered up without long waits. And yes, Google is expected to refine its Android experience even more, likely launching with Android 16, bringing smoother animations, deeper customization, and tighter AI integration across the system that makes everything feel seamless and futuristic. The design is also expected to evolve, with slimmer bezels, a more premium finish, and possibly new color options that stand out in a crowd. Now here's the part that really builds the suspense. Google might introduce an exclusive AI feature that no other smartphone has, something that changes how we interact with our devices entirely, but details are still under wraps, and this could be the biggest surprise of the year. As for the launch, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to debut around October 2026, following Google's usual release cycle, and if these rumors turn out to be true, this phone could easily become the ultimate flagship of the year. And just before you think this is all just hype, insiders are hinting at one more hidden feature, something that could quietly make this phone smarter than anything else on the market, and if that turns out to be real, the Pixel 11 Pro XL won't just compete, it will dominate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.